morning, guys. How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are doing great. I got a mix of everything, so let's get started. I got a Texas boxing trucks 26 and 27. I got a show me 100,000s 64 through 66. Two of the 500 frenzies. Hopefully we can find the frenzies symbol. That'll be nice. Ticket 40 and 41. And we'll begin with the Jeopardies. Ticket 29 and 30. Alright. So let me zoom out. Get everything on screen. Here we go. Alright. We need to find match any number for each category or find the DD symbol. Win double. Okay. Here we go. I'll go across, that way it can be a lot faster. Last row. Can we find any symbol? And nope. Okay. Let me get rid of this scratch debris. Okay, here we go, guys. Alright, now we're ready. Okay, let's find a match. 78. Nope. 40. We got a 39 right there. Okay. 51. Nope. 42. And number 2. Nope. Nothing on 29. Okay. Let's try ticket 30. Okay. This Monday, there will be, I think, 3 new tickets that Texas Lottery will be releasing. I'm gonna work on those, see if I can find those tickets and play them. So let's stay tuned for that, guys. I don't know why is this so. It's like it's wet. I don't know what's wrong with this ticket. Usually they have a hard time, but I don't know why now. All right, let's find a number 54. $63. 46. Number 1. And the last one, 57. And nope, nothing on the Jeopardies today. Not today, guys. All right, let's go on with the 500 frenzies. All right, we need to find a stack of cash, win that prize, and there's a frenzy symbol, and we win that $500. All right, ticket 40. Last row. All right. Let's find a match. 47. We got a 48 right there. 14. 13. 36. 35. 50. Nope. And a 29. Nope, nothing, guys. All right. Let's work on ticket 41. And nope, no symbols. All right. 14. 43. We got a 44 right there. 19. 48. Do we have a 48? Nope. And the last one, 32, guys. Number 32. Nope. Nothing on the Final Frenzies. Wow. Okay. Let's try our past new, I think 2 weeks ago, this one's released. Maybe we can find a good luck on Show Me 100,000s. We need to look for a star symbol, win that prize, or the money back, win 100. Ticket 64. Let's do the old-fashioned way. All right, let's find. We need to find a 20, 10, 21, 30, and a 19. Okay. All right. That's a 9, 8, 26, 2. Last row, 7, 1, 22, 5, and a 37. And we don't have nothing on ticket 64. All right, ticket 65. We got a 1, 18, 28, 35, and a 34. Nope, nothing yet. All right. 30, 32, 26, 7, 31, 15, 17, 25, 27, and the last one, 39. Nope. Okay, ticket 66. Last ticket of Show Me 100,000s. We got 27, 20, 39, 24, and a 30. Okay. 12, 9, 11, 37, 18, 30. Now we gotta match 39s. There we go, guys. Finally. So we save the session. Okay, what else can we get? 36, 19, 13, 1. last row, 17, 40, 30. We got two 39s. All right. 26, and the last one, number 4. All right, guys, what do we have on two 39s? Let's find out. All right, first one, we got a 30. Wow, look at this. 30 and a 20 for $50. Wow. Show me 100,000. Show me $50 today. Wow, I'm blessed. Thank you very much. Wow. That's a big relief, guys. I really do feel good now. Okay, let's try the Texas boxing trucks. There's ticket 26. All right, we got the bonus. Reveal 2 matching price amounts. Win that amount. Or we can look for the Chevrolet symbol or the steering wheel to win double. Let's take care of the bonus. Let me zoom in just quite a bit. Here we go. We got a 10 and a 20. Nothing. All right. All right, we got a 9, 24, 34, 17, and 13. $33, really close. We got 34 there. 39, 44, 6. And we got the Chevrolet symbol. All right. We might be in the profit zone. Probably. We'll see. All right, we got 15, 23, 25. We got 24 right there. 4, 11. Last row, 21. 48. 43. 40. And last number, 2. So all we got is the Chevrolet symbol. What do we have, guys? We got to break even. 5. We will take it. Okay. So far we got 55. And I think we spend 20, 10, 20, 15, yeah, about 35. So yeah, we're in the profit zone for sure. Ticket 27. Let's go ahead and get the numbers first. 18, 16, 31, 9, and 46. Let's do the bonus. I don't want to skip this one. Okay, nothing on the bonus. 18, 16, 31, 9, and 46. All right, we got a 40, 22, 48, 38, 10, 1, 4, 43, 26, 33, 23, last row, 29, 21, 11, 37, and the last one, guys, 27. We don't have nothing on this one, but we're gonna scan it for a second chance drawing of that truck, the pickup truck. So very pleased with the results today. We got this beautiful $50 on the Show Me 100,000s. Numbers 39s, 2 39s, very, very good. And the Chevrolet symbol on the Texas boxing trucks. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Appreciate all the support, guys. Please stay tuned for the new tickets released on Monday. So you guys have a great day. Happy Sunday. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.